Hey everybody, I'm here today with a video on the Philips Multigroom trimmer. In this video, I will be showing you and telling you how to change the heads on this trimmer right here. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is actually the Philips Multigroom Series 7000 trimmer. That's right, Series 7000 trimmer. Once again, Series 7000 trimmer. That's a 7 followed by 3 zeros, so 7000, okay? Now with that being said, this is how to change the heads on this specific trimmer, but obviously your trimmer, it might be a different series, but the process might be similar. It depends on the series that you're looking at, but for the Multigroom series of trimmers, it's gonna be very, very similar. So let's get right into the video tutorial. Here is the head right here. You're gonna wanna make sure that it is off. You don't wanna do this when it's on. Make sure it's powered off, make sure it's unplugged from the charger, and you'll be good to go. Essentially, you want to sort of grip underneath the teeth of the trimmer, and you want to put your thumb here and you want to pry it back, just like that, and it just pops out. Then you can get your new head that you want to put on, and you see there's a little notch over here. That notch goes in towards where the grip is and the power button is over here, just lines in there. It sort of notches in there, and then you just push it down like that. Very simple. That's how to change those heads on the trimmer. It's going to be the same thing with this, but the only one that's slightly different is going to be the nose and ear hair trimmer. It's the same thing, but there's no teeth to pry on, so you get the notch and you install it like that. And when you want to pry it off, there's a little arrow on that side right there. You just push against the arrow. So it's the same thing. Ooh, I turned it on by accident. Got to move my finger out of that spot. It's the same thing, except essentially instead of pressing on the teeth, you're just pressing on where the arrow is over there. But yeah, that's honestly it. It's a very, very easy process, really easy to do, and that is essentially it. Yeah, that's how to change the heads on a Philips Multigroom trimmer, specifically the Series 7000 one. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.